Hi everyone, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a pen, and along with that I'm also going to be decorating a pot for them. So let's begin. First I'm going to start by decorating the pot for the pens, and I'm going to start by painting it. And now I'm going to take a piece of ribbon and place it around this. So this is what the pot looks like now. And taking this off to the side, now I'm going to take some felt, which is 9 by 4 inches. So what I'm going to do now is take some double-sided tape and place it on one side. And then you're going to fold this over. So this is what it should look like now. And now what I'm going to do is on the side that has a fold, I'm going to take scissors and make some cuts into it. And now I'm going to take some more double-sided tape and I'm going to place it down again onto this. And now I'm going to take a pen, and on the pen I'm going to take the felt, and using the double-sided tape I'm going to stick it onto this. And then once it's on, I'm just going to continue wrapping it around. And now finally I'm going to take some floral tape and I'm going to wrap it around the pen. So this is what the pen looks like now. I think it looks absolutely amazing, and let me know what you think too in the comments. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys liked the decorating of these pens. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!